Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. It's actually raining right now, but it's cleared to the northwest of us, and I think that's the direction our day is going. This morning's storm kind of passed south of us, and we did get a few hours of rain, but it was just the outside edge of the system. So we'll have to see what the day brings. I wanted to say good morning to my friend Selena. Selena, I hope you're watching. I hope you're well. I hope you're happy. And I appreciate you, friend. Oh, I have another friend that wants to say good morning to you, Selena. It is shaping up to be a pretty good day. I think we're done with the rain. For today anyway. Last time I looked, tomorrow was supposed to have some sunshine. I'll check it again before I go to bed tonight. Bought ice today for the first time in 3 days because haven't needed it at night. It did hit 90 degrees yesterday, but only about 75, 76 the day before. The water's calm. You know what? I'm pretty calm myself. The air has been still, but just feels like a slight breeze is trying to kick up. Well, guys, it's that time again. Coming up is a horrible, horrible dad joke. I recommend you switch over to one of my favorite channels, Frugal RV Gal. Frugal RV Gal, G-A-L. That's one of the first channels I started watching. I think I heard about Frugal through Rusty 78609's channel. Frugal was always on there commenting, and she even helped Rusty out with a few things. And so I've been watching her 3.5, 4 years at least. She travels. She has a, I don't know what you call them things that go on back of the F-150s. A camper top, is that what they're called? It's not a Lear, but you know. And she's had different things. She does a lot of cooking, cast iron cooking and repairs and travel. I just really enjoy her channel. She's got an awesome jog, Sammy Joe. Check her channel out. I'll put a link in the community page. This is a joke from my friend Kathy. Whenever I go walking, I listen to music. Usually by the Peanuts, the Cranberries, Eminem. Yeah, you might say it's my trail mix. Thank you, Kathy. I never heard that one before. Kathy's from Little Garden, Big Dreams. We've mentioned her channel before. Thanks again, Kathy. I just checked the weather, and tomorrow's supposed to be similar to what it is right now, but the next 5 or 6 days after that, we are supposed to have sunshine. And sunshine means I'll be able to cook. I've been eating crap food lately. And put clean sheets on my bed, which I need a dry space to do that. It's about 4:40 p.m. I'm ready to go to bed, guys. I'm gonna head back to Wally World in a little bit and get in the back of my truck, bring a couple battery packs with me, and I got a new battery pack I got to pick up at the mail center tomorrow, and that will allow me to run my friends' playlists overnight even more efficiently. Yeah, I think I'm going to head back to Wally World now, guys, and call it a day and veg out a little bit. Give you a tour of the parking lot. I got in the back of the Lear topper early tonight, guys. I'm in the Wally World parking lot, and there's just enough room in the cloud cover to maybe give us a sunset. It's about 90 degrees right now, but it's supposed to drop down to about 75 overnight, and then maybe get some rain around 4 or 5 a.m. for a few hours. This is one of the finer views I've gotten from a Walmart parking lot. I appreciate you guys who are watching the channel. Thank you all that are running playlists for me. I greatly appreciate that. All my contact information, my Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal, it's all in the description of the videos. Thanks for riding along today, guys. Thanks for watching.